What's up guys, I'm Thomas Christopher and welcome you to another video. And in today's video we'll take you through the processes of making a custom PCBs here at home.
So in this video I'll tell you the do's and don'ts when designing PCBs.
So
if this is your first time to come across our teaching videos or across this channel and you want to become a member, just click the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share our project videos with your friends. And also, if you want to promote us financially, feel free to click the donate button and fill in the amount you feel to donate to our channel. That's it. Let's go. After you have designed your PCB, then export the Giba files and the drill Excelion data. Open FlatCam and open the Giba files you have just exported. Set the tool diameter, the feed rates, the cutting depths of the copper clad, and then click Export G-codes. Launch BCNC and export the G-codes you just created. I've used BCNC because it has auto level feature. Head to probe, click auto level, define margins and hit the scan button. The machine will scan my PCB and save the position of the Z-axis depth. After the scan process is complete, I start milling the PCB. The results were perfect and I liked it. So this is the process as it is complete. So guys, don't forget to like our videos and share them with your friends.